Solve the inequality. Graph your solution. A. Negative 5x is greater than negative 5 and less than or equal to 20. So since the variable x is being multiplied by negative 5, so to get rid of that negative 5, we divide by negative 5 in the middle, on the right side and on the left side. So this cancels out, or that reduces to 1. So now the variable x is by itself, but then since we're dividing all parts by a negative number, so we reverse the inequality. So that reverses to this, and that reverses to that. And negative 5 divided by negative 5 is a 1. 20 divided by negative 5 is negative 4. So x is greater than or equal to negative 4 and less than 1. So negative 4 on this side, negative 2, 0, positive 2, positive 4. So we marked negative 4 with closed circle because there's an equal sign, and then mark 1 with an open circle. So this is where 1 is because there's no equal sign, and then we connect the two circles, or we shade between the two circles. So negative 4 is the boundary number on that side, positive 1 is the boundary on this side. So x can be any number between those two numbers, including negative 4. B. 2x minus 1 is less than 4, or 2x plus 1 is greater than or equal to 11. So we'll solve the left inequality first by adding 1 to both sides. Then 2x is the only thing left on the left side because negative 1 plus 1 is 0. Bring down the inequality, and 3 plus 1 is 4. Then we divide both sides by 2 to get rid of this 2. So this reduces to 1. So technically we have 1x, but we only write x and less than 2. Now the second inequality, we're going to subtract 1 from both sides. So we are left with 2x on the left side, and on the right side we have a 10. And then we divide both sides by 2. So we are left with x is greater than or equal to 5. So now we're going to graph the solution to this inequality. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1 right here. So open circle on 2, and we shade to the left of it, and close circle on 5 because there's an equal sign, and then we shade to the right of the circle. So the solution or solutions to this inequality are anything less than 2 or greater than or equal to 5.